Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is evolutions of feminism. So, before I start our topics, I will introduce our colleagues reporters. First, Dennis Flores, who choosing and create these reports, and second, me, Christian Altavars, and third, Wilfred Artajo, who helping to choosing this topic. Introductions. The terms of feminism can be used to describe a political, cultural, or economic movement aimed at establishing equal rights and legal protections for women. Feminism involved political and sociological theories and philosophies concerned with issue of gender difference as well as the movements that advocates gender equality for women and campaigns for women's rights and interests. Although the terms feminism and feminist did not gain widespread use until the 1970th century. Evolutions of feminism. Feminists and scholars have divided the movement history into three waves. Ang feminist movement no, gidivide siya katulo na atay first wave, second waves, and third wave. First wave, US, Sweden, Bulgaria, England, Canada, Russia. Second wave, 1960 and 1980 century. Japan, Australia, Kuwait, Canada, New Zealand, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom. Third wave, after 1980 to 2012, China, South East Asia, Middle East, and countries. Before 19th century. According to Miriam Channer, Simone de Beauvoir of Beauvoir wrote that the first woman to take up her pen in defense of her sex was Christine de Pizan in 15th century. Anne Bradstreet wrote poem on equality of sex. Wollstonecraft published one of the first feminist treatises, A Vindications of the Right of Women of 1792, in which she advocated the social and moral equality of sex. 1882, Rose Scott was feminist chiefly concerned with suffrage, consequently with women's access to parliament and other political activities. First wave mainly involved throughout the Western world. It focused on legal issues primarily on gaining the right to vote. It focused on the promotions of equal contract and properties rights for women, active in campaigning for women's sexual, reproductive, and economic rights at this time. This time of first wave, gikuan yun sa mga tao no to gaining the right to vote. Gibote yun nila para sa to ending the discriminations of women. Result of feminism movement, Western Australia, UK, Turkey granted women the right to vote. Women were allowed to practice law in France. The post of office profession was open to women in Korea. The first public elementary school for girls was opened in Korea, Egypt. The woman university was opened in Japan, China, Germany, Sweden. Maternity leave was granted for female industrial workers. International Women's Day was celebrated in China from 2022 on. Great Britain, the Sex of Disqualifications Removal Act of 1919 because law. Second wave feminism refers to the period of activity in the early 1960th century lasting through the last of 1980th century. Second wave was largely concerned with other issues of equality such as ending discriminations. The feminism activist author Carol Hannes coined the slogan, "The personal is political." which became synonymous with the second wave. Women liberation was first used in the United States in 1964 and first appeared in print in 1966. So, the second wave, so sa period of activity in early 19th 60th century, so concern yun yes, nag-concern yun sila sa issue dapat equal yun ang pag-treat sa mga babae o mawala na ang pag-discriminate sa mga babae because women are people, pareha sila tawo na to, dapat i-treat nato sila same and equal. So third wave feminism began in early 19th century, arising as a response to a perceived failure of the second wave. A post-structuralist interpretations of genders and equality is central to much of the third wave's ideology. The third wave feminists often focus on micropolitics and challenge the second wave paradigm as a what is or is not good for females. Feminist leaders rooted in the second wave like Gloria Anzaldúa, Bell Hooks, Sheila Sandoval, Cherry Morga, Aldo Lorde, Maxine Hong Kingstons, and many others black feminists. So, ang third waves began in early in 19th century. So, gikuan nila nga matupad ug matubag tong sa second wave because na failure ang second waves to so post-structuralist interpretation of genders equality central mass of the third wave's ideology. Third wave is feminists often focus nila ang micropolitics so or is not good for female gikuan nila sa mga kababaihan. So mao ra to. So post-feminism. Post-feminism describe a range of viewpoints reacting to feminism. Nadine Strossen considered feminism to hold simply that women are people. Mike Ruby believed that post-feminism is most clearly seen in the so-called feminist media products that as Bridget Jones, Diary Sex and City, and Ally McBeal. Feminist theory is an extension of feminism into a theoretical or philosophical field. So nagigingon rin na women are people, dapat equal gid ang pagtrato sa mga equal ang pagtrato nato sa mga kababaihan dahil parihara sila nato, we are same humans, so women are people, so we treat them equal, no? So social and Marxist social feminism connected to the oppressions of women of Marxist ideas about exploitations, oppressions, and labor. Socialist feminism thinking unequal standing in both the workplace and domestic sphere hold women down. Socialist feminists see a positions, domestic work, childcare, and marriage as way in which women are exploited by the patriarchal system that devalues women and the substantial work they do. Socialist feminists focus their energies on broad change that affect society as whole rather on individual basis. Conclusions: feminism is not a single theory, but theories as if differ according to land experience, and the terms of feminism has many different uses, and its meaning are often contested. The feminist movement emerged to resist the injustice against women, as there is no consensus on exactness of this injustice. Many theories develop according to the situations which has more or less same relevance as such the topic has no uniformity in approach. So our quotes of this topic is women rights are human rights. So that's all. Thank you.